around the site, and one of the things that we noticed was these two downhill conveyors that are coming from the plant down to the stackers. They're running downhill and they're discharging at the downhill most point. This is actually your head pulley, not your tail pulley. It's the discharge pulley. And what we find here is, at this particular location, they're using wing pulleys as their discharge pulley. The problem with that is you can't put a cleaner on a wing pulley. The wing pulley coming around causes the vibration in the belt. It'll cause your cleaner to just constantly tap, 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 skipping material every time it hits a wing, which is why they're getting the carryback back up this belt line into the take-ups, building up all the way back up through. If those were a drum pulley, they wouldn't have to be a herringbone or a diamond or anything like that, but I would still lag it, because lagging is one of the biggest things you can do to help with the training of the belt. But if that were a drum pulley and the cleaner was actually contacting the belt, you would see a substantially cleaner belt line up through. So there are times where just a standard product is all it takes to solve a major problem throughout the system.